Efrem Lawrence, attorney at EL Law Firm. Massage therapist. Let's assume that you have a patient that was in a car collision while they were on a job, and you want to know who should be billing for the treatment and the services provided. In those circumstances, I want you to follow these 3 steps. Step 1, you're going to ask your patient for the MedPay or personal injury protection insurance company and the claim number. You're also going to gather their workers' compensation claim number as well as that insurance company, and you're going to ask them for their personal health care insurance company and policy number. If at the time that you're asking for this information, they don't have it readily available, be sure to have them bring it back at their next visit. Step 2, you're going to send all the medical records, medical bills, and notes to all 3 insurance companies. You're going to let the insurance companies figure out who's going to be the primary payer. It also puts all the insurance companies on notice that at any moment they could become the primary. Step 3, continue to bill your patient's primary health care insurance company even after PIP and MedPay is denied or their workers' compensation claim is closed or denied. Following these steps will allow you to avoid losing thousands of dollars when there's multiple insurance companies and claims available to you, ultimately allowing you to get paid.
If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and share the video. You can also find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.